Introducing ThoughtSpot's newest release, 10.6 Cloud, the latest in AI-powered analytics, so you can get insights 10 times faster from your modern data stack. In this release, we're introducing Spotter Embed in our Visual Embed SDK. Let's take a look at the developer playground. We have now made new SDK flags generally available for model-level controls, action modifications, and custom styling to personalize Spotter within your apps. Love a good pivot table? So do we. We have completely redesigned pivot tables. They now load faster, support pagination, and offer many more configuration options. You can now access new display formats, heatmap mode, toggle detailed legends and tooltips, expand and collapse both columns and rows, as well as adjust the width of each one. We're continuing to make it easier for you to get insights from more data stores. With our new connector, now you can live query your data in ClickHouse. For the business person, ThoughtSpot continues to enable you to forge a data-fluent culture. Curious about your business performance while on the go? Yeah, no worries. Spotter's now available in the mobile app. Besides supporting multi-turn conversations, now you can use voice commands to interact with Spotter as well. We've enhanced the visibility of anomaly detection in KPI charts, adding clearer messages, improved visual displays of anomalies, and a new Analyze Change button that allows users to trigger Spot IQ with a single click. For live boards powered by multiple models, understanding the connections between filters, parameters, and the Active Live Board tab may be slightly challenging. In this release, filters and parameters that are not relevant to the Active tab's chart will be hidden. As part of this enhancement, custom reordering is now also supported. For analysts, ThoughtSpot helps you build your career as the analyst of the future. To enhance your experience with Spotter, we've introduced a new optimization workflow on ThoughtSpot models. You can now easily identify unindexed columns and, with a single click, have ThoughtSpot handle this for you. You requested for it, and we've heard you. On the live board page, we've reintroduced the ability to sort your content by last modified. We've also added a new tab called Yours to filter for your authored content. Additionally, for each item, you now have the ability to instantly export its corresponding TML into TML files. For developers, the possibilities for your dream data app continue to grow with ThoughtSpot Embedded. For specific embedding scenarios, you might want to trigger host events without going through our modal dialogues, like saving an answer or pinning it to a live board. Let's use this Try Event button as an example. In this release, host events have been enhanced to support more parameters, and in this instance, you can bypass every modal dialogue and instantly save this answer with a new name and description, and even pin it to a specific live board tab. For REST APIs, we've introduced a new API endpoint to help you perform bulk migrations of worksheets into modals. With this new endpoint, simply provide the list of worksheet IDs, and ThoughtSpot will migrate them all with one API call. As you perform changes to your content and data models, migrating an entire set of objects every single time across dev instances might be just a tad cumbersome. To shorten deployment times, we've introduced new e-tags to facilitate diff checks. These checks help identify which TML files have changed, so imports are only performed on those files. For the IT ops engineer, ThoughtSpot always focuses on enabling you to balance control with freedom. Curious about how Spotter usage is impacting your organization? We've added a new Spotter usage live board to every instance. Simply search for Spotter on your live board page. This new system live board allows you to monitor real-time engagement, usage, and adoption analytics for Spotter. Last but not least, we've introduced a new status page for ThoughtSpot, helping admins monitor the status of all ThoughtSpot services on a single page. That's ThoughtSpot Analytics' latest release. Limitlessly search all of your cloud data for actionable insights with the only AI-powered analytics platform built for the modern data stack.